Hey guys, ever wonder why it's important to bring your bike to do a service at a Yamaha dealership? Let me show you. Mr. Tom, why do you think it's important to do the service at a dealership?
Well, first of all, you've got trained Yamaha technicians working on your bike. They're very, very familiar with the bikes. You've got the latest up-to-date technical information regarding any issues the bike has or may have in the future. We've also got facilities to plug it in to Yamaha's advanced technology so we can check up any forthcoming problems with the bike. We can sort them out before they physically happen.
When you service your bike at Omega Motorcycles, you're getting 100% genuine Yamaha parts. These are built specially for your bike, no cheap imitations. And also, your factory warranty is safe with us. Keep your bike running like new. Come to Omega Motorcycles, an official Yamaha dealership.